So in this video, we're going to show how to wire a traditionally wired controller to the pump start relay. Hey Jim, before we go into the pump start relay, let's just make sure the power is off.
You got it.
Great. There are two screws we need to unscrew. As you can see here, the transparent block right here, that's the actual pump start relay, which is on a terminal block. These two wires here, the black and the white, are the wires which are connecting from the irrigation controller. They should be terminated on terminal 13 and 14 right below the pump start relay cube.
Okay, so now we're at the controller. This is our ESP LXME. We have our wires connected at the pump start relay. Now we're going to be moving to the controller and connecting our black and white wire at the controller. So our black wire is going to connect to our master valve port. We actually have two master valve ports on the LXME, one for the master valve, one for the pump start relay. And then we have the white wire that will connect to the master valve common port. And that's it. Now we're ready to start the pump.
Before we start the pump, let's make sure the discharge isolation valve is open. Yeah?
Yep, that's right here.
Turn the pump into auto.
All right, Mike, we ready?
Let's do it.
All right.
It's on. If you need any more information on fine-tuning the pump station, please feel free to reach out to our GSP. The number is on the inside of the pump station enclosure.